Hello guys, this is Shubham Seth. Currently I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from NIT Allahabad. In this video I will tell about some tips and techniques of effective study, and in this video I will cover uh, how to cover your syllabus, and how to analyze the exam pattern, and how to prioritize your weightage of topic, and previous year question analyze, and how to practice by writing what you have what you have read, and like that, like many other things. So let's start. So for effective study, first thing you can do is you should know the syllabus of your subjects. In either you are in school or you are in college, you should know the subjects. You should know the syllabus of your subjects. Okay. From you can go you can go to you can go you for syllabus, you can find it very well from either, if you are in universities or in college, you can find your syllabus from ordinance of your college or somewhere else, and in the book also written the syllabus, or you may ask from the professors or teachers. But syllabus is most important. You don't have to study what is not in your syllabus. So syllabus is very important. And the second thing you can do is you have to analyze the exam pattern. What type of question will ask in the exam? So that thing is very important. You should analyze the exam pattern, and what type of question, and what is the weightage of questions, MCQ, multiple choice question, and what the how many marks question. I suppose 20. So suppose some in some exam there is 20 marks question, some exam 15 marks, 10 marks. So you should analyze the pattern of your exam. And the next thing you have to do is you have to prioritize your weightage of topic, that what the high weightage of topics from each and every subjects, from each and every lesson. High weightage topic, you have to focus on high weightage topic, because high weightage topics are the repeated topics, and they ask in every year. High weightage topic, you have to focus on the high weightage topic from each and every chapter, either you are in school or you are in university or college. And the next thing you can do is you should not study for a long hours. You should sit uh, in small blocks, 45 minutes or 30 minutes or 60 minutes. After that you can take 5-minute break. So that is the important thing. So because if you sit for long hours, you may feel boring, and the next hour you will not sit for the exam, sit for the preparation. You will go some other where, because you will be bored. So you don't have to sit for a long hours. And the next thing is whatever you will read, and what you will learn, and what is the important topics, you have to practice all the things by writing. Because if you write something, then that is fit in your brain. So you have to practice by writing. And the next thing is you have to take a good sleep every day. If you are a student, you should not sleep too high and too low. You should take a good sleep of 6 to 7 hours daily. That is very important, because good sleep keeps our mind fresh. So that is important. And next thing you can do is revise. What you revise, you have to what you have learned and what you have studied earlier, you have to revise that regularly. Okay, weekly or monthly, or you have to give test of whatever you have studied by your own. So don't skip that. And next thing you can do is eat light food. It is not a part of your study, but eating a light food helps a lot in study, because if we eat heavy food, then our body become lazy. So you should avoid heavy food. Suppose tomorrow is your exam, then you don't have to eat very high today, because you will it take a lot of time to digest heavy food. You have to take very light food today, so you can be prepared and you can wake up at the right time. So that is also important. And plan for your exam time, that if you are in exam hall, what questions you have to tackle first. You should prepare for that. If you what questions you know very well, you have to tackle that first. And you may, if you know all the questions, then you may follow the sequence. But if you don't know, then select that questions first, which you know very well. So because examiner know that you know well for that topic, so you have to remember this. And next thing you have to do is collect all the materials for preparations, like PDFs, notes, class notes, and exam papers. You have to collect all the study material before preparation for your exams, because if you don't have all the material, you may miss the syllabus. You can't complete whole syllabus. So uh, you have to collect all the things what is required for your what have taught on the in the class. And you may ask from toppers and some other friends in your class for that. So that is very very important. And the next thing is, uh, you have to take the help of your toppers friend, because topper are those who attend nearly all the classes and they makes all the notes. So you have to take, if you stuck anywhere, you have to take help, and you should ask from your topper student, from topper student of the class, either you or your friends. So never hesitate in asking help from toppers. That is the very very important thing. And if you don't study by yourself, you should study in group. If you are in hostel, you should study with those friends who study regularly, who are toppers, and who support you in study. So that is uh, that is the thing you can also do.